Welcome to Shift Zone, your trusted place for deep automotive insights where we explore the latest cars, future models, and the real stories behind the machines that move our world. Today on Shift Zone, we are diving into one of the most iconic and globally loved sedans, the 2026 Toyota Corolla, a car that continues to redefine reliability, efficiency, and modern driving for millions of people around the world. The 2026 Toyota Corolla arrives with a refreshed identity that balances familiarity with modern design evolution. At first glance, it is clearly a Corolla, but every line feels sharper, more confident, and more aerodynamic. The front fascia features a sleeker grille design paired with redesigned LED headlights that now appear more aggressive while maintaining Toyota's clean design language. The hood lines flow smoothly into the body, improving airflow and giving the car a planted stance. From the side, the character lines are more defined, adding a sense of motion even when the car is standing still. The rear receives subtle updates with refined LED tail lights and a redesigned bumper that enhances the car's sporty yet practical personality. Toyota has focused on making the Corolla look mature and premium without losing its universal appeal. Step inside the 2026 Corolla and the cabin instantly feels more refined and driver-focused. Toyota has improved material quality throughout the interior, using soft touch surfaces on the dashboard and door panels to elevate the overall experience. The layout remains intuitive, ensuring that everything is exactly where drivers expect it to be. The centerpiece of the interior is an updated touchscreen infotainment system that is larger, faster, and more responsive than before. It supports wireless smartphone connectivity, making daily commuting more convenient. The digital instrument cluster has also been enhanced, offering crisp graphics and customizable displays that provide essential driving information clearly and efficiently. Seats are redesigned for better comfort and support, especially on long drives, and rear seat space remains generous for a compact sedan, making the Corolla practical for families and daily use alike. Under the hood, the 2026 Toyota Corolla continues its tradition of efficient and dependable performance. Toyota offers multiple powertrain options to suit different driving needs and preferences. The standard gasoline engine is refined for smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency, delivering a balance of power and economy that has always defined the Corolla name. For drivers seeking even better efficiency, the Corolla Hybrid remains a standout option, combining a gasoline engine with an electric motor to deliver impressive mileage without compromising everyday usability. The hybrid system is smoother and quieter than ever, especially in city driving, where electric power takes the lead. Transmission options are tuned for seamless operation, ensuring a calm and predictable driving experience that suits both new and experienced drivers. On the road, the 2026 Corolla feels more composed and confident than previous generations. Toyota has fine-tuned the suspension to improve ride comfort while maintaining stability during cornering. The steering is light yet precise, making the car easy to maneuver in tight urban environments while remaining stable on highways. Noise insulation has been improved, reducing road and wind noise and creating a quieter cabin that enhances overall driving comfort. Whether navigating busy city streets or cruising on long highway journeys, the Corolla delivers a relaxed and controlled ride that makes daily driving stress-free. Safety continues to be one of the strongest pillars of the Toyota Corolla, and the 2026 model takes this commitment even further. Toyota Safety Sense comes standard, offering a comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance features. These include adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assistance, automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and improved pedestrian and cyclist detection. The systems are designed to work smoothly in the background, assisting the driver without feeling intrusive. Structural improvements to the chassis further enhance crash protection, giving occupants greater peace of mind. Toyota's focus on safety ensures that the Corolla remains one of the most trusted vehicles in its segment. Technology in the 2026 Corolla is designed to simplify life rather than complicate it. The infotainment system integrates navigation, voice commands, and real-time traffic updates to make driving more intuitive. Over-the-air updates allow the system to stay current without requiring dealership visits. USB ports and wireless charging options ensure that devices remain powered throughout the journey. Climate control systems are more efficient and responsive, maintaining comfort in all weather conditions. Toyota has also enhanced connectivity features, allowing drivers to monitor vehicle health, fuel efficiency, and maintenance reminders through a dedicated mobile app. One of the most impressive aspects of the 2026 Toyota Corolla is its commitment to efficiency and sustainability. Improved aerodynamics and engine optimization contribute to lower emissions and reduced fuel consumption. The hybrid variant stands out as one of the most fuel-efficient vehicles in its class, making it an excellent choice for environmentally conscious drivers. Toyota's long-standing expertise in hybrid technology ensures reliability and longevity, making the Corolla Hybrid a smart long-term investment. Practicality remains at the heart of the Corolla's appeal. The trunk offers ample cargo space for groceries, luggage, or everyday essentials, while split-folding rear seats provide added versatility when transporting larger items. Storage compartments throughout the cabin are thoughtfully designed to keep personal belongings organized and easily accessible. Low maintenance costs and Toyota's reputation for durability make the Corolla an economical choice for ownership, appealing to first-time buyers, families, and long-term drivers alike. The 2026 Toyota Corolla is not about chasing